Well, here we are in lockdown. I wanted to do a quick hyperlapse for you in Porto Montenegro and Pine. And oh, take this off, nobody's watching. And come on, it's in lockdown. So as you can see, it's all locked off to the public. Porto Montenegro has a sign for guests and residents only. And that's it. But anyway, quick coronavirus or curfew update for you. The government has relaxed a tiny bit the curfew. It was 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday to Friday, and then 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday, and then not allowed out again until 5 a.m. on Monday morning. But now they've relaxed it so that you can also go out 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Sunday. So a bit of relaxation there. And that's it. Everything's quite quiet. People are behaving themselves, and that's it. So stay safe, keep isolated, and let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you're learning. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.